Hello lovely viewers, I welcome you to Omades, and please, if today be the first time you are visiting the channel, then you kindly subscribe, you like, then you share. And in today's episode we are going to learn how we can design a trifold flyer. A trifold flyer, that is a flyer that is being folded 3 times. Okay, good. So first of all, we have to divide it into 3. Since it is trifold, we have to divide it into 3. So I have a very special and simple way of dividing my trifold, or dividing a certain page. Okay, good. So first of all, I will double click on this one. Okay, if you double click on triangle, it draws a triangle to fill the page that you have opened. Okay, and first of all, the page is A4 because the flyer is normally on A4 size. Okay, good. So I'll click on the triangle that I drew, then I'll push one side, okay, to the other side like this. Good. Then I'll copy. I'll just put my hand on the control, then I hold here and drag it to this place, then I right click to copy. I'll do the same thing. Okay, you see I've gotten 3 different spaces, so I'll just select all. Okay, then push it to the end, so you can see all the spaces are equal. 1 2 3. Okay, good. So I'll just put in my rulers. I have to change this unit to inches, so I'll put in my rulers here. Okay, so I'll be putting in my rulers like this. Yeah, good. You are watching on my desk. Please, when you come, then you like, then you share, and if you have any comment too, then you drop it under the comment section. So I'll be putting my rulers on the lines. Okay, good. And you know, a flyer, that is a trifold flyer, or every flyer normally is printed front and back. So this is a front page, okay, and then we have the back page. And you see, once it is trifold, or once it is folded 3 times, we have to know which place, okay, which of the spaces is front page. Okay, so here is very tricky, so please look at it very carefully. So I have to number. Okay, for me, I know, but for tutorial purposes, here is number 1. Okay, then let me copy the same number. You have to open another page. If you look through my videos how to arrange a book, okay, on A3, I think I just posted that video. If you check, you understand why I said we have to open another page, because on every sheet that you hold, it has 2 surfaces. Okay, here might be the front, and then the other page might also be the back. Okay, so you have to add 1 page. And before I do that, since I want to maintain the same measurement or the same settings like this one, I want to apply the same settings to the page that I'm coming to open. Okay, so I have to click on this one. It's already activated. Okay, all pages here. Then you add 1 page. Okay, good. You can see the lines are there. Okay, are equally as the first one. Yeah, so this is number 1. Then you come here. Let me bring this one here. Yeah, here will be number 2. It's very tricky, but then here will be number 3. We are still on trifold flyer. Okay, then here will be number 4. Okay, sorry. Then you have to come back to number 1. Okay, this place. Okay, then we will continue from here. Here will be number 5. Okay, then this place will be the last page of any flyer. Okay, good. So when you are starting, once you have gotten these numbers, okay? And it doesn't necessarily mean you should number it. If you know where to put number 1 and number 2, the numbers are not necessary, but I can leave the numbers there, okay? Yeah, I can leave the numbers there just for educational purposes. Let me delete these lines once I've gotten my demarcations. All these numbers I can leave it, or I can just decorate it well and leave it there, okay? So once you know this, it means your first words or picture that you want it to be at the first page, you know where you are going to place it, okay? So these are my images that I'll be using, and these are my information, okay? So I have to glance through any picture of my choice that I want to use for the first page. Good, so I'll use this one for the first page, okay? Yeah, I'll cut this place off. I want the image to be big, so I'll cut this place off like this, and I'll still stretch it, okay? Yeah, then I'll be adding a little bit design, okay? So I'll add a little design. That one, it depends on you how you want to do yours, okay? Okay, good. Then I'll fill it with this green, avocado green. I remove the outline, then I'll create a little design around it, okay? Good. Creating this simple design around it. It depends, any design that you want to create is up to you. I mean, this is what I want. Okay. We're still watching Omades, and we are learning how we can create a dry food flyer. Okay. Let's say for a business, for any organization, restaurant, and any institution. Okay, so this place, I have to clear this place, so I'll take this shape tool, then I'll select this image, okay? I'll double click here, then I can pull this place out, and this place I can bring this place down to follow the shape that I just drew, and I'll copy one of this shape, okay? And I'll give it a different color, but I want this one to come up on the front of page. Okay, then I'll create something nice like this. Okay, good. So I'll bring something down here like this. Or I can just flow my words, okay? If I have any words, I'm just using this words as an example, okay? So I'll copy some small words like this, okay? And I'll paste it. And I've already shown you how to paste these things. If you copy any words from, what do you call it, Microsoft Word. And one thing I forgot is there must be a space, okay, between the folding margins, okay? There must be some margin, so I can just create something like this one. And what is the size? The size is 1, okay? So I can put this one here, okay? Yeah, so that the size is 1, yeah, 1 inches. So if I put this one on this line, okay, then I'll be putting another guidelines here, so that the words, okay, the words will flow within this place. Or if it's too much, I can just reduce it by putting my hand on the shape, and I'll reduce it small. Okay, good. Yeah, I have to do the same thing for the other one, like this one, okay. So that when you fold, the words will not fall within the folding margin. Okay, then this place I need only half. Okay, for this place. Yeah, good. And this place too. And once you finish one face like this, it will affect the other parts. Okay, the other page, because this one is highlighted. Okay, good. And the same thing applies to top and down. I have to get margin for top and down, so I can rotate this one, or for the top I will still maintain the size 1, then I will rotate it like this. Okay, sorry, I can type, is it 90? Yeah, it is 90. Too much. That one I can just reduce it automatically. Yeah, so that the words will fall within this place, and the same thing applies to the down. Yeah, so that is that. So the words will fall within this place. Okay, else here will be the folding line, so it will affect the words. That is why I created those margins. So it must fall within this place like this, so that your work will always have a free space around it, in case they are cutting it to not affect the words. Okay, so that is that. And all this place I can fill it with a, let's say, a different let's say different color. Okay, example like this green. Okay, I'll move the outline. Okay, then I'll send it back to the words, then I'll give the words let's say color white. This one I just copy the words, so I can delete this one and give it a title. This is a tool. I can just give it a title of, let's say, okay, good. This one I have to fill this place, so I'll convert this one in order for me to be able to adjust this shape. Okay, like this. Good. So I can use this one as a heading, and let me see this font if it's okay. I know one font monitor. Yeah, Tall Ghana. This one, it's not bad. So I can maintain this one. Let me give it an outline. I can maintain it. Yeah, and I can still add another color here. That's flyer. Depends. Okay, you wish so. Fine. So I can give this one. Then it's better I change this one. Okay, with the yellow, so that the same thing will affect the down here like this. Okay, then I'll give this one deep one. It's okay. So this is the front of my flyer. Okay, or I can choose to bring in another picture in order to beautify the front page. Okay, it depends. So let me go in for another picture. Okay, this one is not bad. This one is not bad. I'll start it from the down here. Okay, then I'll stretch it up somewhere here. Okay, that's number one. So I'll go inside a bit. Remove the outline. And then this. Okay, has to be adjusted. We are still watching Omades. We are creating how to be able to design how do you call it, tri-fold flyer. Okay, so I'll cut off this. Okay, assuming this is a short or a brief description about Ghana. Okay, Ghana tour. So I can let this one be here. Okay. I can still increase. And I can change the font so that it will be bold a bit. Change this here. Check this font. Is it Vodafone? Vodafone. Yeah, this one. Good. I can also list some places around. It depends. Okay, I can list some places, some of the top places in Ghana in front here. Okay, but it depends. I think let me check this if I can change this typeface. Watching for my desk. That is done a tri-fold flyer. And sometimes very advisable to keep some of the font that you normally use in your hair. Okay, so I can just add a small design. Okay. So assuming this is the front page. Okay, the front page. I'll add more by putting your hand on the control, then you click on the color that you want to add. Okay, like this one. It's not bad. It's not bad. You can still add more. I'll send this one behind by putting your hand on the control, then you press page down one after the other. Okay, and give the color that you want. Sorry. Good. And let me increase this one a bit. Then I can put one white here. This place will be like this. Good. So like I said, here is number 1, but sometimes professionally it's not advisable to number the pages, but so I can let these numbers there. When I finish, then I delete it in order for you to follow the pages well. Okay, good. So let's go to number 2. You can see number 2 is here, so we can just flow our words. Okay, flow our words, then we insert in pictures. Good. I'm still watching Omades. Change the color to pure black. Good. And bring in more words. We'll be adding picture pictures also, just to beautify it. Yeah. So I just delete this one. Inserting in pictures just for educational purposes. Okay. So I can cut off these pictures, these words, sorry. Then I will insert in the picture in the middle part. depends on how you want to insert your pictures. Okay, yes. And after following this tutorial very carefully, it will be easy for you to create your own trifold flyer. Okay, but as for picture can spread across the demarcation, okay, in order to just beautify it, okay, or you can let it be within the demarcation, okay. Create another background also. Sometimes you can leave it plain, depends on you. Send it behind. Okay. Still watching on my desk. Good. Choose color for it. Just beautify it by drawing something like this around the picture, so that this one will be up, other front of page like this. Okay, and I'll remove the outline from this one. Good. I can bring in my waist. It from this place. Good. And it doesn't necessarily mean you can only put on one picture. You can add more pictures depending on you. Okay. Good. Depending on you. Good. See that one also, how it looks like. It's not bad. Then we go to page 3. Come here, bring in our waist. Okay. You are still watching Omades. Please kindly subscribe if you like. And please, if you have any comment, to kindly drop it under the comment section. So I'll bring in my pictures. Picture. And the last time I show you how you can wrap a text. Okay, let's say I want the picture to be here. Okay, then the font or the text will flow around it. Okay, when you do it like this, you click on this one. Okay, wrap text. If you glance through my videos, I think I've already done that. Then you click on this one. Have you seen automatically? But you can control it from here. You see? Good. But I'll let it come down so that the heading will be separate. Okay, like this. Good. Yeah, I want it to be like this, so that I'll choose a very nice font for down here. I have to do something like this. Good. Then I can bring in another picture. I want to insert in more pics. And continue to bring in more text. Okay, copy. I'll come here and I'll paste. And it's overflow, or because it's for tutorial purposes, or if let's say this was overflow, I can cut it and continue from here, but this one I'm not cutting it. The last time I show you how you can link words, okay, how you'll be able to link your words, okay, from one page to another. So you just click on this arrow, then you see this sign, meaning the words are inside. Then you draw something like this, it will automatically flow inside the box that you have drawn. Okay, good. You're still watching Omades. This one too, I can choose to bring picture, I can choose to ignore, but I'll bring one picture somewhere here. Okay, this one I prefer to enlarge the picture like this. Okay, let me bring in more ways. And you can arrange the pictures very nicely depending on how you want it to be. Okay. The reason why I'm doing this is I want you to know how you'll be able to page search a work. Okay, how you'll be able to know this is page 1, page 2. That's much concern. Okay, so I think I'll finish this place. Let's see, I can insert in more colors. Okay, it depends. Okay, good. Now we are coming back because this is 3. I think number 4 will be somewhere here. Yeah, number 4 will be here. Okay, so we're coming back 3, 4, then 5. And as for the 5, I will let pictures flow. I'll let more pictures flow. Like this. Sending back of layer. Okay, now increase the outline like this. This one is too much. 1.5. Good. Then I'll group it. Okay. Let me copy the same frame. Okay. The rest when I finish. Other front of page. Cut this place off. Hence. This one too. I'll do this. I'll do this one also. Like this. Then I'll push this one up. It depends on how you want yours to be. Okay, and I'll insert in some more words under it. Small words be under it. Try this. Right click, then you paste. Good. Times New Roman. That is the same font must run through the whole place. Good, like this. Then here will be the last page, and that place normally contains the contact information. Okay, yeah, so here are my contact information. So I'll be arranging them, depends on how I want it to be. Let's say this is my location or address. It's my email. Okay, So this will be my Facebook. Bring all of them down a bit. Should be small a bit. This one also should be small a bit. The website should come up. Okay, and the rest can follow. Okay, and this and that must come down. And this, they are all the same. Okay, so these are my contact information, and telephone might also come. Okay. But on the last page, I'll be adding this. Okay, then I'll bring in some words also. Bring in very nice background later. Times New Roman. Then I'm going to bring in another picture. Okay. Like this. Okay. So something like this. So I must go under it. Group it, and this one I'll do similar thing. Okay, and I'll do that one also. Now to fill this one, send it behind, then I'll group it to be something like this. Okay, then I can choose to give backgrounds. Okay. So let me give some backgrounds. Give some backgrounds to it. And mix the background. This may be like this. Depends on how I want it to be. The outline, and I'll send this one behind this one I created. Okay, but I'll change this one. Then it out here like this. Okay, you're still watching Omades, and we are designing a trifold flyer. It, okay, just to beautify it in the outline. And this one, it must fall within the line, so you have to stretch it a bit. In this place too, I can choose to give a color, so I'll copy one of this here, then give this color, this light background. Not bad. Okay, something like this. Okay, then let me see here to this place too. I can give a color, or I can choose to leave it. Depends on me. Right, sometimes the colors shouldn't be too much. Okay, yeah, colors this one too. Let me place this one somewhere here. Okay. Yeah. To start from somewhere here. Somewhere here. Now apply this thing on. Okay. Not bad. So I can choose to delete the numbers because I've already know the places that are very well positioned. Okay. I'm just creating anything just to beautify it. Okay. So let's start from here and see. So here is page 1. Let me delete these numbers also. These numbers, let me delete it. So it's not necessary anymore. Okay, so that is that. You see? So this is page 1. Okay. Then when you come here, this is page 2, page 3, page 4. Then you come back. See page 5, and here is page 6. Normally that is how it's supposed to be. Okay, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6. So if you are printing and you print this one, this is A4. Okay, so you fold it 1, 2. Okay, so you get 1, 2, 3 folds. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So when you print this one first, then you back it with this one, you get it correctly. Okay, or if you are opening, you open this one to left side, and this one will back it. Okay, this one will back it, and this one will back the middle one, and this one will also back the last one. So viewers, that is how we design a trifold flyer. If you have any comment, please kindly drop it under the comment section, and if you have any question too, you can also drop it under the comment section. Thank you for your time and enjoy this tutorial. Bye bye.